All right, guys, Tyler here from Diesel Power Products. Today we got Jake from Fass in the house talking about their drop-in series filtration system. Jake, tell me about this thing. What does it do? What is it best for? Tell me everything.
Sure. So the basis behind the idea of the drop-in series was, we understand a lot of us diesel guys, we're not hot rodding, right? We're not trying to make a bunch of power. We want our trucks to haul, tow, get us to work and back, and we need better fuel filtration. Diesel fuel, as it comes out of the pump, even at $3-4 a gallon, is pretty disgusting. So the idea behind the drop-in series was exactly that. This is a solution for the guy who maybe he's adding side steps, maybe he's tinting the windows, maybe a leveling kit, but he's not hot rodding it. He's not doing big turbos, compounds. This utilizes the factory in-tank lift pump, so not a lift pump, but provides full Fass filtration, the 99+% water separation, air and vapor removal, debris down to 2 micron, everything you expect from Fass in a bolt-in package.
Perfect. And that's 2 microns for you guys who are the micron guys out there who we get tons of, I'm sure you guys get those questions
all
a lot.
The time. All the time.
How many microns is this filter? But well, cool. This one is specifically for the Cummins, right? What is the year, make, and models that you have available for these kits?
Yeah, great question. So as I was explaining a little bit off camera, this utilizes the factory in-tank lift pump for fuel flow. So we have these available right now through Diesel Power Products for 2003 through 2024 Cummins, so 5.9 and 6.7, 17 and up Duramax. So for you Duramax guys, unfortunately you didn't get a factory lift pump until 2017. So these are available for 17 and up Duramax as well as 17 and up Power Stroke.
So tell me some real world applications about this, Jake. Where are people going to be using this most?
So most of the time what you're going to see with specifically a drop-in series system is you're going to see, again, the guy who's using his truck for work. Maybe it's a fleet vehicle, maybe it's a personal vehicle. He's commuting with it, he's towing his camper with it. He's not necessarily hot rodding it, although in a lot of applications those factory lift pumps can support more horsepower than stock. But you're not pushing that truck to a point where that factory lift pump's running out of steam.
Reliability.
This system is designed at its core to make your truck run better, more efficiently for longer.
Perfect. I think that's what a lot of people want to hear in the industry these days. They want something that's tried and true. I mean, we have your titanium series that's been used for how many years?
Long time.
Yeah, long time. So
yeah.
You guys have been trusting your trucks with Fass for a long time. This is a new product line from them, but it's already tried and true with the Fass name. If you guys are looking for more reliability for your truck, not necessarily looking to, like Jake said, hot rod it, this is the kit for you. If you guys have any questions, hit the link in the description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. We'll help you get exactly what you need for your truck.